if I start a claim with my insurance company and they have underpaid me, am I doomed?
No.
What are my options?
You need to hire a lawyer. I mean, it's one of these questions like that. That's a good question for the lawyer you're hiring. Am I doomed? But as long as in the property damage scenario, which is what we're talking about really is hurricane, as long as you have followed what your contract obligations are, we call them post-loss obligations. As long as you've done that, then you've done what you're supposed to do. And we can sue them for not doing what they are supposed to do. I have clients who get frustrated about how much time it takes to get a final resolution in their case. And I completely understand their frustration. But the answer is, and I've told people this a million times, there is no rhyme or reason to why client A gets a favorable result within 4 months and client B does not. Sometimes it literally just comes up to the adjuster that we're dealing with. Our car accident cases, there are definitely times that we resolve the case for a lot more than I ever thought we were going to resolve it for. And I would love to say it's because I'm a bad mamma jamma and they saw Chris Crawford and they got scared. No, that's not the truth, or at least I don't think that's the truth. I mean, the truth is we were just dealing with this particular adjuster who had some reason to resolve the case that we may not even ever know about. There's literally just no rhyme or reason to it.
They're 100% prepared, and they know this backlash is coming after every storm. They know exactly what's up. They know the wins, the losses, what it's worth, what it's not worth, and it's worth lowballing everybody.
I mean, if we were just to boil this down into the shortest sentence possible, they get paid by not paying you. They make profit by not paying you what you deserve. That's how it works.
But they also don't have a team of engineers checking, all the different angles. They're just probably taking snapshots.
Yeah.
It's
30-minute inspection.
A very, very non-thorough inspection.
How many hurricanes you been through?
7, 8, 9.
Okay. Did you ever see State Farm running around giving out gas?
Not that I can remember.
What about water?
No.
How about generators?
Nothing.
Okay. What about Geico, USAA, any of those guys?
Nothing.
Okay. I mean, just being logical, would you not think that they have enough money to do that if they wanted to?
Absolutely.
Right? I mean, they have enough money to advertise during the Super Bowl in every city in the United States. You see the gecko, all right? You see the caveman. I've never seen them after any hurricane giving out water, maybe some gas. Never.
No.
That's not their game.
No. It makes it, that puts it into a way better perspective for me,
Yeah.
They're there. They're visible. Hey, look at me.
Right.
I'm a small little gecko with an Australian accent. You can trust me. I'm always the victim.
Right.
In this commercial.
I'm just in here doing some office work. I'm just like you, just a normal guy.
Just a normal guy.
Yeah.
Just a normal guy. Nowhere to be found until it's time to lowball you.
Yeah. Nowhere to be found. Not even when you need us. I mean, they have that thing called the Cajun Navy or something like that. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. I mean, those dudes are the ones showing up, saving people from houses, bringing water, bringing gas. Gecko, no sir. Caveman, no way. Mayhem, not there. So that's crazy, but that's the reality.
The reality is the Cajun Navy is just an organization of civilians.
Yeah. That's some good old boys.
Those are the most reliable people we have down here.
Right. And they're probably like the most experienced at like proper hurricane technique. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
Like they should be teaching FEMA what to do.
I saw one guy get stopped he had monster truck tires. He knew what he was doing. It was only up to half the tire, and they were like, "You can't go through here." He's like, "I'm going to pick some people up out of their flooded house."
Yeah.
If you really, you're not stopping me. I'm going out to save these people.
Yeah.
They're like, they actually, people try to intervene with these guys who, they're coordinated, they communicate, and they can get it all done. Yeah, man. That's what I completely forgot about.
Yeah, the Cajun Navy.
Yeah.
God bless those guys. So that's what I'm saying. If you think about it, these companies are never there to do good for you. other than as some advertising ploy or with somewhat the exception of USAA, who may actually try to do some good things for their insureds, the big guys, no. That's all about money. And they make tons of money. Tons of money.